Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're exploring what the battlefield of 2050 might look like. War is constantly evolving, from swords to drones. Every generation has seen dramatic changes. By 2050, technology could transform warfare more than ever before. Artificial intelligence will likely play a central role. Autonomous drones may operate in large coordinated swarms. Instead of large armies, we may see smaller human forces supported by intelligent machines. Robotic ground vehicles could transport supplies or perform dangerous missions. Soldiers might wear advanced exoskeleton suits that enhance strength and endurance. Communication will be faster and more secure. Satellite networks will provide real-time battlefield awareness. Systems similar to Starlink could ensure global connectivity even in remote combat zones. Hypersonic weapons may dominate long-range strike capability. These weapons travel at extreme speeds, making interception extremely difficult. Cyber warfare will become even more powerful. Future conflicts may begin in cyberspace before any physical battle starts. Artificial intelligence could analyze massive amounts of data instantly. Command decisions may be assisted by advanced AI systems. Stealth technology will likely improve further. Aircraft inspired by platforms like the F-35 Lightning II may evolve into fully autonomous combat systems. Space could also become a strategic domain. Military satellites will monitor and protect communication networks. Electronic warfare systems will attempt to jam and deceive enemy sensors. Battlefields may become more network-centric than ever before. Instead of relying on one powerful weapon, success will depend on integration. Land, air, sea, cyber, and space systems will operate as one connected ecosystem. However, ethical concerns will grow. Autonomous weapons raise serious moral questions. International laws may struggle to keep up with rapid innovation. The battlefield of 2050 may not just be about firepower, it may be about information, speed, and intelligent coordination. The future of war could be defined not by the strongest army, but by the smartest technology.